Hello KG, how are you today? Today we will make a quick revise to our groups, okay? We will revise group number 3. Let's start together. Who can remember? What is this sound? Remember KG, think. Excellent. This sound called G. Do the action with me please. G. So again, what is the sound? Perfect. G. Remember the words of sound G. The first one is what? Perfect. Gift. So the first one called what? Gift. 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 And the second. So KG, tell me, what is this word? Perfect. Frog. Again, tell me, what is this word? Frog. And the last one, what's this? Perfect. Blug. So what is this? Blug. Again KG, what is the sound? Perfect. Get. Let's write sound get together. But first, who can help me and tell me how many lines do we have? I think we have 4 or 3 lines. Perfect. We have 3 lines. Count with me. 1, 2, 3. We will start write sound get. We start from line number 1 or line number 2 or line number 3. Perfect. Line number 2. We start from line number what? 2. Round, up, down, round, and the other way. Again KG. Round, up, down, and round the other way. So what is the sound? Get. Excellent. Let's see the next sound. What is the sound? I don't remember. Who can help me please? Perfect. This sound called oh. Do the action with me please. Oh. So let's see our words. What is this word? Who can remember? Off. Perfect. Off. Again, what is this word? Off. Wow, it's a beautiful bird called robin. Called what? Robin. Oh, robin. And wow, it's a beautiful sock. It's a beautiful what? Sock. Oh, sock. Let's write our sound. 1, 2 and 3. When we write sound O, we will start from line number what? 1 or 2? Perfect. We will start from line number 2. Round. So what is the sound? Oh. And when we write it, round. Let's see the next sound. Who can remember? What is the sound? I don't remember. Help me please. Perfect. Do the action with me please. Do like this. Ah. Again, what is the sound? Ah. Let's see our words. The first word. What is this? Called what? Perfect. Umbrella. What's this? Umbrella. Again. What is this word? Umbrella. And the second one? Called what? Up. we write sound up, we start from line number 2. We start from line number what? 2. Down, round, up, down, and flick. Again. Down, round, up, down, and flick. So, again, what is the sound? Ah. What is the sound? Ah. Wow. What is the sound? Think. Perfect. Do the action with me. Again, what is the sound? What's this? Who can remember? What's this? Lemon. Perfect. Lemon. Again. Lemon. The next one called hell. Hell. The next one called what? Hell. The last one, we took it before, KG. What's this? Umbrella. So, what is this word? Umbrella. Let's write our sound. Sound start from line number 1. Start from line number what? 1. Not number 2. Okay, KG? We will start it. Down and flick. Again. Down and flick. So, what is the sound? What is the sound? Let's see the next one. It's a beautiful sound. Called, do the action with me, please. Again, KG, what is the sound? So, what is the sound? I know this word. I know it. I think it's think. Perfect. Flag. Flag. So, what is this word? Flag. Remember, what is this word? Perfect. Frog. 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 Let's write our sound. When we write sound, we will start from line number 1. We will start from line number what? 1. Round, down, left and cross. Again, KG. Round, down, left and cross. So, what is the sound? Let's see. I know the sound. Called ba. Do the action with me, please. What is the sound? Ba. Again. What is the sound? Perfect. Ba. Tell me, KG, what is this word? Bib. Again, what is this word? Bib. Wow. What's this? Crab. Crab. So, what is the sound? Ba. Ba. Let's write it together. When we write sound ba, we will start from line number 1. We will start from line number what, KG? 1. Look here. Down, up and round. Again. Down, up and round. So what is the sound? Ba. So KG, we make quick revision about group number 3. Okay? See you later. Bye bye.